What if there was an ultra-compact premium umbrella no bigger than your phone? Well, you might be in luck. Meet Simprella. Tiny enough to slip in anywhere, stylish enough to make a statement, and simple enough to open or wrap up on the go. But don't just take my word for it. Let me show you Simprella in action. Simprella was built for a life in motion, and its lightweight design makes everyday carry a breeze. Its highly water-repellent fabric will help keep you dry on the days you need it most. But we also made sure to include UPF 50+ protection for those extra sunny days. Another big problem with modern umbrellas is that they all look the exact same. So we added an interchangeable Velcro badge, allowing you to personalize Simprella and make it your own. It's the umbrella that's there when you need it, and invisible when you don't. Any bag, any pocket, no more awkward wrestling. No more large clunky umbrellas, no more compromise. We've designed Simprella in a wide range of stunning colors, but only the favorites will make it into production. Choose the color that speaks to you, cast your vote, and be a part of the process. Rain or shine, it's time for Simprella.